but people will drive with a metal. I hear them metal on metal.
Yeah.
It's like, that's got to be, you're not, you can feel it tugging when you're stopping.
Yeah.
I mean, for sure, because you can see the judder.
Yeah. And the problem with that, the problem with putting brake pads off is that brake pads are inexpensive. You know, take the R8 as an example. We can get brake pads on those things for the back, Borg and Beck mate. So the dealer won about 3,000 dirhams for them, but we can get them same exact, but made by Borg and Beck with an OE license, and we can get them for less than half that.
Wow.
But we can't get the discs.
Okay.
And if you go metal to metal with the pad
Then
to
you
the
need
disc,
discs.
you need discs, and those discs are 6,000-7,000 each.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
so even converting that to the sort of universal dollar, that's $2,000 a disc.
Yeah.